Hi everyone, welcome to Drive and Fail 30. Look at this right bend. Which is exactly what the silver car thought also. Someone else turning right without a care in the world. Undertaking is usually preceded by poor lane discipline, and I think that's a little bit of the case here. It's always sad to see when one of my viewers makes the situation worse. Although this black car shouldn't be undertaking, there was no reason for my viewer to do what they did. You can already see the triggered and closing this space down in front. In situations like this, do your utmost to try and help things flow. The mindset of trying to reprimand needs to be eradicated. That's awful. There looks as though there's a little bit of afters with this also. This clip is further proof that people don't look any further than the end of the bonnet. Look out for drivers like the one in the Ford Focus. Nicely fixed by my viewer though. How's your hazard perception skills? Honestly, we've got it easy in the UK, I think. One thing I would like to mention with this clip is everyone's speed is similar, and even though it's really busy, that actually keeps it safe. It's speed difference that is the big problem. Watch the silver car in front. Are they doing the correct thing by stopping here? And have you just missed the other temporary light on the left hand side of the road? If you didn't see it, skip back 10 seconds and have another go. And now if you're back to this point in the video, don't skip back to 10 seconds, because you'll be caught in a constant loop forever. My viewer works it out and overtakes when it's safe. I also love the friendly beep of the horn. Well done, buddy. Although this shouldn't happen, it often does. Do you think my viewer was hidden behind this pedestrian? In any case, it's a poor emerge. Again, some nice use of the horn by my viewer. Watch the cyclist behind the car. Oops. That's right, it was the motorist's fault. As always, it's impatience that causes many of the problems on our roads. Welcome to my version of Need for Speed.
Context IQ is an ingredient of our AI capability, and most things you're talking about are products. Okay. So, yeah, ingredient versus product. I said, how does context IQ work? Like, what's underneath? Is it Cortana? And you're just not calling it out, and you're kind of...
Mary Jo, it's more ingredients. Why do you ask questions like that?
Ingredients, like a recipe, right? No.
We've got a mini roundabout coming up, and this is so bad, it's comical. If you can't see both sides of any crossing area, don't go through. The red car wasn't much better either. I'm sorry, but I had to include this in this month's driving fail. The driving's not too bad, for now, but that colour. Please let me know whether you think I'm being a little harsh or whether or not this was well deserved. You know I said about the driving being not too bad for now? Although it's not the case here, I'd like to bring this to people's attention. Some cyclists use clipless pedals where the feet are attached to the pedals, and they sometimes struggle getting them out, especially at low speed. This can cause cyclists just to randomly fall over in situations like this. Here though, it looks as though his chain came off. This clip does show some terrible riding. Follow the rules whatever vehicle that you operate, and try and make sure that you're always seen. Riders dressed in black is a bugbear of mine, unless you're riding in the snow. Mind-blowing. This type of collision is really common. Always do your best to try and move away in a staggered formation. I know it's not always possible, but it can cut down on risk massively. Sad to see, but it needs showing.
Mike! Use your mirrors!
Hands up if you need lessons.
As a driving instructor, do better.
Ambulance clips usually feature in my nice driving episodes, but this is definitely a fail by the black four-wheel drive. Even if they thought my viewer was parking, where's the best place for the ambulance to go? Hang your head in shame. A little further the road's narrowing, and the Renault driver thinks, nah, this van's holding me up. It's moments like this that cause fatalities. Some people's attention span is terrible. It's not as if that slit road was a sudden surprise, was it? How soon do you spot the danger? Dark clothing again. And to finish, I'd like to say fair play to Dashcam Hull for sending in this clip.
My God, no! No! No, 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 no! No, 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 no!
Thankfully, the dog escaped without injury. Keep safe everyone, and I hope to see you soon.
My God, no! No! No, 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 no! No, 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 no!